Alright, bear with me, this is going to be pretty rough. So, I already sort of had an initial test here with some success. So, alright, here's my hose. I used the barbed end here with a typical hose clamp. That worked really well with the 3/4 inch hose, so that was good. So what I'm going to do, I have a pressure gauge on this end. I'm just going to pop them together. This action has become really smooth from all the repetitive opening and closing. I'm going to turn on the pressure. Alright, we lost the washer is what happened. I have no idea where it went. Alright, I think I might leave that take in there just for posterity to show that it takes perseverance to get this stuff down. Okay, so what happened was earlier I messed up with leaving the hose on, and it did actually pop one of these washers out, which to me is pretty remarkable because with the almost zero tolerance in there, I figured it wouldn't have enough momentum or whatever to suck the washer out, but apparently it did. So another thing to fix in my version 2.0. I'm going to try this again with washers, and hopefully I'll have to test my camera's waterproof properties. Okay. Alright, so it is leaking at 50, I think each one of those is 10, yeah, so that's 70 psi right there. And it's definitely leaking. Which, honestly, not unexpected. Normal civilian water pressure, like 50 to 55 psi, sometimes as low as 30. This is like 20 psi over normal. I'd say it's holding up pretty well. What I'm going to do is just pop this and then rotate it and reseat it, see if it is a little bit more secure, because I did have to file off parts of the assembly to get it to fit right the first time. Alright, so I'm just going to rotate it like 120 degrees. Oh wow, look at that, the washer did pop out of there, so it's something definitely have to keep an eye on for the time being. I'm going to try rotating it the other direction, see if it is any more or less secure. Alright, so it leaks a little bit worse this time. I'm just going to have to wait until I get a version of the fitting that is hasn't been sanded or modified in any way. So it's a little bit over 70, now it's at around 75 psi, so the water pressure really fluctuates around here. Anyway, a work in progress. I've already increased the height of the washer for the version 2.0. We'll see how that works. Thanks for watching.